Now we're gonna check to see if one of the bearings from the chain hub is dead. It smells funky. Just gonna see if we were right or wrong, if it had blown the bearings. There's no doubt it's been hot, but I can't see any, yeah, it's a little loose. Actually, maybe it could have done a few thousand kilometers. There's a little debris in here. Some of the balls are a little loose, but all in all, maybe, yeah, that one could have survived. This one looks healthier, but is it? Watch your fingers. Doesn't matter, we're putting in new ones. This one is very loose in here, and you can feel like it's grinding. It's loose and then it's sticking. So this one has definitely made some noise.